Yeah, fantastic to be here at Repton School supporting Derbyshire against Worcestershire. As you can see, the game's going on. We're not only supporting the cricket club in Derbyshire, but also supporting the school. So it's absolutely fantastic to be here today. So it's really important for us, for the Carfulan Group, to be supporting the cricket club and the local community. We have a lot of our employees in the Derbyshire area, so it's absolutely fantastic to be supporting the day and supporting the local businesses.
From Derbyshire County Cricket Club's point of view, it's fantastic. We've been able to bring first-class cricket back to Repton School for the first time since 1988. As you can see from the crowd today, we've had a fantastic turnout, sold out, hospitality is buzzing, and we've got fantastic weather as well. From a sponsor's point of view, it's great to be working with local Derbyshire businesses like Carfulan, Barron & Grant, and also Fisher German, who have sponsored today's game, and it's great to see them and their guests all enjoying the cricket amongst this fantastic backdrop of Repton School.
Yeah, it's fantastic sport. Not only the local businesses, local cause, we're here with our friends Barron & Grant and Fisher German as well, supporting the game. So thank you to everybody at Derbyshire, Jimmy, Drew and the guys. It's been absolutely fantastic, and thank you for Repton School for us to be able to host today.